Hello and welcome to Waltz Basic and Beyond lessons. We continue to explore advanced figures which we can build from basic figures. And today we will look at hinge line with Swivels and Rudolph Ronde to follow a running finish. And now let's welcome our wonderful demonstrators Romance and Violetta. So we start with hinge line. Man's steps are similar to oversway, but lady's steps slightly different. So man starts back to side, sway and oversway, but lady dances with left foot forward to side, then close and point forward in hinge line, which is similar to same foot lunge, only in reverse way. Now look at Romance and Violetta. So they dance hinge line 1, 2, 3. Very good. From opposite angle. And 1, 2, 3. Now we will add 2 lady swivels and then Rudolph Ronde to follow position. So we dance hinge line, then swivel, swivel point, and then Rudolph Ronde with slow finishing to follow position. Very good. Let's look from opposite angle. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Now we will add running finish at the end, but first step will be in follow position. So we dance hinge line, swivel, swivel, step ronde to follow position and running finish from follow position. Please notice how we use rotation in this combination. So here we have rotation to left, then to right, to left, again rotation to right strongly, and we finish with a running finish which turns to right. Very good. And from opposite angle, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now, before this choreography, we will do double reverse overspin. So we start with simple double reverse spin, 1, 2, and 3. This is basic figure. Very good. From opposite angle. Notice lady here does heel turn, then side and cross. Now we will add one more pivot, and therefore figure is called overspin. So 1, 2, and 3, and extra pivot. From opposite angle. One, 2, and 3, and. After overspin, we will dance tumble turn. So we dance double reverse overspin and tumble turn, which is feather finish plus reverse pivot. Very good. From opposite angle. And 1, 2 and 3 and 1, 2 and 3. And now let's put together our today's routine. So we dance double reverse overspin, tumble turn, hinge line, swivel, swivel, and Rudolph Ronde to follow-away position, and a running finish from follow-away position. Very good. From opposite angle with teaching count. And 1, 2 and 3 and 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Very good. And now we will dance again. This time we move down line of dance and we'll finish in corner. So double reverse overspin down line of dance, continue with tumble turn, then hinge line, 2 swivels, Rudolph Ronde, and we finish with a running finish diagonally into corner. And now to music. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Romance and Violetta, and special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me, from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching, and see you in the next dance videos.